guys, I hope you're all alright. So I'm sure you already all know by now, but I am an ambassador for Perky Pear. I'm actually wearing the original Lift and Shape tape right now. Woo, little flash right there. So whenever I post about the brand, I always get loads of people in the comments asking me, does it really work? Does it hold your boobs exactly where you want them to be all night? My answer to that is quite simply yes. I've never had a nip slip, I've never lost a pair, I've never, that sounds quite funny, I've never had my boobs be anywhere other than exactly where I want them to be when I'm wearing Perky Pear on a night out. The problem comes when you actually need to get them off, because let's have it right, it has to be quite a strong, quite a sticky adhesive to keep some of our very large ladies up. So this is the Take Off Oil or Cleavage Elixir. Basically all you do is squirt a couple of squirts onto like the pear, and the nourishing oil starts to release the pear, as you can see, without any discomfort and the greatest of ease. It's absolutely brilliant. But you can see it comes off proper easy, look. Taking the rest of it off, and voila! It is so good. And this little bad boy as well is full of loads of lovely ingredients like collagen boosting, loads of moisture, everything you want for a lovely healthy boob.